Hey guys, it's Miranda, and today I am going to show you how to get some irrigation set up for your plants. So behind me I have my tomatoes that already have the irrigation set up. So I'm going to show you how you can do it yourself. So here's the stuff that you'll actually need. I got these from Home Depot. So we got the drippers by Rainbird. This whole bag costs probably like $11 and there's 30 of them. Then I got this tubing to hold it in place. Now I'm not using it how they're telling us how to do it. I did try it and I did not like it. So this is a little different way. And then we got the, and that was just like $3 I think. And then we have the landscape drip tubing. And this was, I think it was like, I don't know, $15 or something. And then I got these. This will make your life so much easier. These are just to break it apart. So if you can see over here, you just stick them in there and then put the line in it and it will just grab it. It'll actually just it'll grab it. See, you can't see inside, but it'll grab the tube and hold it steady so it won't go anywhere. All right, so the end product is this one that we want for each plant. So I'm going to show you how to put this together. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some line and I don't know if I want to use this for the same exact spot next year. So what I did was I just kept it a little bit long. So I did like 12 inches and then I cut it. So now I have this line here. And what I'm going to do now is I am going to just, do you see the red? The red should stick out. The little black thing should go into the tube. So I'm going to put this in the tube. And I just pushed it in there. It's pretty easy. And then now what you want to do is you want to take the tubing stake, take this off. You don't need it. I'm going to save it for maybe like a future project, but I just need this top. So what I'm doing is I'm going to take the bottom cap off, but keep that little line there if you can on it. And then stick this about, I don't know, 2 inches from where the red is. And then you're just gonna take this, thing that I got from Amazon, and stick it in here. You gotta push down. It's gonna open up the teeth. You're gonna stick it in there, and then it won't come out anymore. So this is what you want. Then what you wanna do is you wanna take some line, and you're gonna cut some line to go in between each of the tees basically. And I know that I will need about let's see, how much was it? It was like this much between them. So I'm just gonna cut this off. You can use scissors, you don't have to use this little nifty. It just came in the pack that I bought. And what you're gonna do now is you're gonna take this blue tee and you're just gonna stick it on one side, right? And then you're gonna do the same thing with the other side. So what I did was I inserted those things that we just made in these buckets. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the line and I'm going to see exactly how much room I need before I cut the line. The last one, I forgot we need to grab this corner one so that the water won't run out of that last. There we go. That's what it looks like. Let's hook it up at the hose and this is what I used before, just direct. But you can have multiple lines. You can use it on. It was not as easy as putting it on the silver one because it's just a screw on. This one was you gotta like push the hose over that piece there. It was not easy. So what I'm gonna do is this is the old one to the tomatoes. So now we're gonna put the new one, the new irrigation, onto this second one here. The hose splits into two. And it goes all the way down the tomatoes, all the way down this row of tomatoes, and the other line goes all the way to the buckets. All right, so it is working. It is working. Let's see what the water pressure is on the very last bucket. Looking good.